May lead na ang mga otoridad kung nasaan na si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Ayon kay National Bureau of Investigation Director Attorney Melvin Matibag, marami na silang mga impormasyong nakalap bilang bahagi ng kanilang investigasyon. Gayunman, hindi muna niya ito maaaring i-anunsyo.
Kung meron man po, I have to apologize because it's a part of our process sa law enforcement. So, hirap naman po mag-announce na nandito siya. Kasi people try to speculate. Yung namin lang yung lead na binigay. But we have a lead kung nasan talaga. Pero in the meantime, we will suspend yung announcement kung nasan talaga siya.
Tumanggi namang sagutin ni Matibag ang tanong kung aarestuhin nila ang senador gayong nalalaman na nila ang kanyang kinaroroonan.
I cannot answer, I'm sorry, because that's part of our internal procedure right now. What I can assure you, there is a valid warrant, there is already orders, but in the meantime, we are monitoring.